PodMaster Nation, it's Rachel, your text messaging specialist, welcoming you to our text messaging user guide. All right, so you've just signed up for text messaging through PodMaster or Buy Sell Plus, and I'm sure you're super excited to start texting your customers. You might be wondering, what's the first step? What do I need to do? I'm glad you asked. The first step is going to be to opt in your customers. In today's video, we're going to go over how to opt in a customer who has not yet been opted in through PodMaster at all. Quick tip before we get started. When opting a customer in, always approach it as part of your process, because it is. Instead of asking open-ended or yes or no questions, instead try to say something like, let's get you opted into our free text messaging program. What's your cell phone number? Okay, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is look up your customer in your PodMaster system. In the cell phone field towards the bottom, you'll type in the customer's cell phone number. As soon as you finish typing, you'll get a pop-up. Do you wish to opt into text messages? Click yes. The next pop-up is going to ask you which type of text messaging you would like to opt into. There are two different types of text messaging that we offer through our PodMaster system. The first one is accounting. Accounting messages are specific to the customer. Payment messages, layaway reminders, anything that would be only for that customer. Marketing messages are shop-related. So that's going to cover promotions you might be having, extended hours, shortened hours, or shop closures. Anything that you need to let all of your customers know is happening at your shop. Let's choose the second option so the customer receives all of their messages. The first pop-up is going to ask if you signed the marketing consent form. You should have had that printed off on your printer right now. This form basically just states that the customer is allowed to be texted by your shop and they can opt out at any time. This form protects both the customer and the shop. If the customer signs the form, click yes. Your next pop-up is going to ask you for a PIN verification code. The customer will receive a text message with a PIN verification code. Ask them for that number and type it back into the system. This PIN number basically just verifies that the phone number is correct, text messaging is turned on, and it is capable of receiving those text messages. After you've got that PIN number typed in, click OK. That's it. You've opted your customer into financial and marketing text messages. The next two dialog boxes are just going to let you know that you've completed the registration. Go ahead and click OK for both of these. Now, what if your customer is insistent on only wanting payment reminders? In the cell phone field, you're going to type in the customer's cell phone number. And again, you'll get a pop-up, do you wish to opt into text messages? Click yes. This time, we're going to choose the first option, opt into accounting and payments only. Click OK. Your next pop-up will ask if the customer received a text message. They should simply receive a text message letting them know that they're being opted into financial messages. If the customer received the message, click yes. Congratulations! You've opted your customer in to receive financial messages through PodMaster. Thanks for opting in today. Check out the links below for our other text messaging how-tos, and be sure to tune in next time for another episode of our text messaging user guide. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to send me a private message on Facebook, and I'd love to help you out. Got a blast!